We'll guide you through how to add apps to the home screen on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I already like having apps on the home screen because then you can easily go and access them. You can come onto your home screen and you can then tap it. If you frequently use it, it's going to go and save you a lot of time over time because you don't have to go and open up your apps pages by swiping up, finding the app you want, then tapping it. So to go about this and adding it to the home page, and you can also go and move where it is as well, because you may want it in a certain position. We'll guide you through all of that. First of all, you need to go and decide on the app you want to do it with. Go and swipe up. What you can do is go and find the app on the app pages, or you can go to the top and press search and go and search for it. When you go and find it, what you then want to do is you want to go and tap and hold your finger on it. Then you'll go and get a pop-up. You see some different options, but what you're interested in is the option add to home. So what you can do is go and tap on it like so. It'll then go and be added, as you can see down there. And then all you need to do is go and tap and hold your finger on it. Then you can start dragging it like so. And then what you can do is you can go and drag it to where you want it. So you can go and hold it over to the left or right to go and move pages as well. So for example, I may want it on this side here. So I can then go and release it. And there it is, as you can see. Then you can go and tap on it and you can go and access it and use it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them in the comments. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.